If 2026 has taught us anything, it's that the factory standard pistol is officially dead. We've entered the era of the Super Duty, where the line between a $4,000 custom competition rig and your daily carry has completely blurred. Think about it. We're now seeing factory-integrated compensators, 3-pound triggers, and stainless steel fire control chassis as the baseline. Whether you're looking for the refined precision of a 2011 or the unshakable reliability of a Gen 6 striker-fired, the perfect 9mm isn't a dream anymore. It's sitting on a shelf. Today, we're breaking down the elite few that actually lived up to the hype this year. Let's talk about the Staccato P4. Designed as a duty-focused evolution of the 2011 style platform, this 9mm pistol brings together precision shooting performance and real-world reliability in one setup. It delivers a smooth, controlled shooting experience while still being built for demanding conditions and heavy use. A major advantage is its ability to use widely available double-stack magazines instead of expensive proprietary ones, making it far more practical for training and long-term deployment. The steel frame adds stability and helps manage recoil, while the compact barrel keeps handling quick and responsive. The trigger feels crisp and predictable, giving better control during fast follow-up shots. It also supports modern optics mounting in a low, streamlined position, improving target acquisition speed. Overall, it balances performance, durability, and practical usability in a very refined way. Canic T-Combat. Built as a competition-inspired 9mm pistol, this platform focuses on speed, control, and recoil management right out of the box. It features a full-size frame with a fluted barrel and an integrated compensator at the muzzle, helping redirect gases to keep shots flatter and more stable during rapid fire. It comes ready with high-capacity magazines, including an extended option, so there's no immediate need for aftermarket upgrades. The grip texture is designed to lock into the hand comfortably, giving strong control without feeling overly aggressive. The trigger is light and crisp with a short reset, making follow-up shots quick and consistent. It also supports optics mounting straight from the factory, allowing red dots to be added easily. Overall, it blends competition-level performance with factory-ready practicality in a balanced, refined setup. Walther Pro E. A striker-fired duty pistol designed around a 4.5-inch barrel and 18-round capacity, built to deliver immediate performance without requiring aftermarket upgrades. It balances German engineering precision with modern defensive and duty requirements, offering a platform that feels refined the moment it is picked up. At approximately 26.8 ounces, it provides a stable shooting experience while still remaining practical for extended carry and training sessions. Its standout feature is a flat-faced performance trigger system that breaks cleanly at a consistent 4.5 pound pull. The reset is short, tactile, and highly responsive, allowing fast follow-up shots and improved control under pressure, even with gloves. The optic mounting system is deeply cut for direct mount compatibility with select optics, reducing height over bore and improving sight alignment speed. Ruger RXM. A striker-fired pistol built around a modular stainless steel fire control chassis, housed inside an enhanced polymer grip module, designed to improve ergonomics while maintaining proven reliability. Weighing approximately 23.6 ounces, it delivers a naturally balanced point of aim with a smooth, controlled shooting experience. The grip design corrects common ergonomics issues found in traditional block-style duty pistols, offering better comfort, improved recoil management, and a more natural index when presenting on target. Its biggest advantage is compatibility. It uses widely available double-stack magazines from a proven duty standard platform and supports a vast ecosystem of existing aftermarket parts, giving shooters immediate access to customization options without additional cost. CZ Shadow 2. Full-size competition-focused pistol built around a double-action and single-action system, engineered for maximum control, precision and speed. The trigger starts with a smooth, deliberate double-action pull, transitioning into an exceptionally crisp single-action brake at roughly 3 pounds. The reset is extremely short and tactile. It features a heavy steel frame that reduces recoil and keeps the gun planted through fast strings of fire. The weight distribution is optimized for stability, making it easier to track sights and maintain tight shot groups under pressure. Sig Sauer P320. This one is all about control, balance, and smooth performance when things get fast. The heavier frame helps soak up recoil, so even during rapid fire, it stays steady and predictable in the hand. It runs a 5-inch barrel setup that feels solid and stable, paired with a grip design that locks in well and gives you confidence during long sessions. Reloads are quicker thanks to the extended magazine setup, and everything about it feels built for efficiency rather than gimmicks. The trigger is light and clean, making follow-up shots feel natural instead of forced. It also supports optics right from the factory, so adding a red dot is simple. Overall, it's the kind of setup people choose when they want performance that feels refined but still practical. Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. This micro-compact challenges the long-standing belief that small pistols are only backup options. Many assume guns in this size class sacrifice performance for concealability. But this design proves otherwise, with a striker-fired .380 ACP platform measuring just 5.1 inches overall and weighing only 9.8 ounces unloaded, while still offering a 12-round capacity with its extended magazine. It features a flat-face trigger with minimal take-up and a crisp, consistent brake, allowing smooth, controlled shooting under pressure. Instead of forcing an optic on a frame too slim to support it, the setup relies on a tritium front sight, paired with a blacked-out rear for fast, instinctive target acquisition. Sig Sauer P211 GTO. A full-size pistol designed to blend modern duty practicality with competition-level capability. Measuring approximately 8.5 inches in overall length and 5.25 inches in height, and weighing around 45.9 ounces, it delivers a heavy, stable shooting platform that helps minimize recoil and maintain consistent sight tracking during rapid fire. It uses widely available double-stack magazines from a proven duty-standard platform, giving shooters easy access to reliable and cost-effective capacity options. It ships with multiple magazine configurations, including high-capacity options. Taurus GX4. Built on a lightweight polymer frame, it features simple white dot fixed sights, along with an optics-ready configuration that supports micro red dot installation through adapter plates, allowing compatibility with a wide range of popular optics. An extended 1913 accessory rail provides space for lights or lasers, while a reversible charging handle improves ease of manipulation. The factory barrel is replaced with a 3.7-inch extended unit, featuring precision rifling and a threaded muzzle, enabling the use of suppressors, compensators, or flash hiders for better recoil management and versatility. VKP Pro. The frame is machined from 416 stainless steel and paired with a reinforced polymer grip module featuring a proprietary high-traction surface texture for improved handling under stress. It feeds from STI pattern magazines, giving it access to a proven competition ecosystem. At its core is a 4.40-inch bushingless bull barrel, tuned for accuracy and consistency. The single-action combat match trigger is factory set to approximately a 3.5-pound pull, offering a clean brake and a positive, tactile reset that supports fast, controlled shooting. Overall length measures about 6.9 inches, with a weight of roughly 56 ounces. Heckler & Koch VP9. A hybrid striker-fired 9mm pistol that combines a 4-inch slide and barrel assembly with a full-size grip frame, creating a balanced crossover platform between duty use and concealed carry. This configuration maintains a standard 17-round magazine capacity, overall slide length, improving handling speed, presentation, and maneuverability in dynamic shooting situations. It incorporates HK's latest A1 series upgrades, including a redesigned grip frame with an integrated magwell to assist with faster reloads and more consistent magazine insertion under stress. Internal components are enhanced with a nickel Teflon-coated trigger bar, improving smoothness, corrosion resistance, and overall trigger consistency. Cabot Rebellion Max. This is a modern double-stack 1911 chambered in 9mm Luger, designed to bring higher capacity into a platform that traditionally prioritized refinement over volume. It delivers that upgrade without a weight penalty, matching the earlier single-stack version at around 28 ounces unloaded. This balance is achieved through the use of 7075 aircraft-grade aluminium for both the frame and grip modules. It is built around a 4.25-inch match-grade stainless steel bull barrel, hand-fitted for precision, and paired with a commander-length operating system tuned for smooth cycling and reduced felt recoil. 3.5-pound trigger that delivers a clean, consistent break. It ships with 17-round magazines, with extended 20-round options available. Glock 17 Gen 6. Designed as a full-size duty platform, this pistol focuses on improved ergonomics, control, and modern adaptability. It features an optic-ready system built for durability and easy customization, along with a 17-round magazine capacity that makes it suitable for both training and professional use. The updated frame includes enhanced grip ergonomics with palm swell and thumb rest areas, while the refined grip texture helps lock the hand in place for better stability during shooting. A flat-faced trigger ensures consistent finger placement, giving a more controlled and predictable shooting feel. It also incorporates a fully passive safety system with 3 independently operating safeties that disengage only during trigger pull and automatically re-engage once released, ensuring consistent safety without manual switches. That's a wrap on today's breakdown. These systems prove that power isn't just about tradition, it's about evolution, control, and precision. But now the real question is, which one impressed you the most? And would you trust it in a real-world scenario? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.